Hi, my name is Rob Succo. I started with Dr. Forman on May 1st. It's now July 14th. And I was diagnosed several years ago with hypothyroidism. I was placed on Synthroid, and I realized that I was starting to get more bloated. I would exercise and not lose weight. I felt lethargic. I felt crappy. And I was told about Dr. Forman, and I came here, and he's guided me with his staff in how to eat better, how to and utilize the supplements that they've provided, and the educational aspect of it has been great, and I'm feeling so much better. I'm off the Synthroid. My blood work just came back that I did 2 weeks ago, 2.5 weeks ago, and my levels are normal. And I'm feeling very grateful, very energized. My even my depression is basically virtually gone. Just feeling a lot better and a lot positive about things, and I feel like now I'm going to be able to lose the weight. So I'm so grateful to Dr. Forman and his staff. Thank you.